good morning. It's a nice Sunday morning, a bit cooler, just 19 degrees this morning. I think it's the last bit of nice weather before the rain comes this afternoon. I had a look on the weather forecast, it's due here at 1 o'clock, or from 1 till 3, so that probably means it'll come next Friday. Anyway, just having a little ride down to Runcorn. A couple of friends of mine, Jolene and Steve, they came across a guy specialising in GS aftermarket accessories. Anyway, I went down yesterday and saw him, got a couple of bits, got the radiator guards, but got the wrong ones somehow. The toolbox for the inside of the pannier rack. Anyway, there's something not right. Well, the radiator guards are the wrong ones, as I say. So I'm just going to nip back down, change those. What else did I get? Oh, I got the TFT sunshade. There's a bit of cloud about today, so probably won't get to see if that's any good. I got this side stand foot extender, which looks pretty good. So yeah, just going to nip down, change those rad guards, and then just come back. It'll be the quick way there, and I'm not messing about like I did yesterday. My God, it was horrendous trying to get to this guy's place. Right, so I'm not so far away now from Runcorn. Just come down the M6, just about to get on the M62 towards Liverpool. There's a bit of traffic about this morning. Still only 8:45. Here we go. There's a nice bend this on a bike. The only trouble is I came round here a couple of months back on again, I think it was a Sunday morning. A car broken down in the middle here, but just back there where the cones were. Right, M62 to Liverpool. One of the things I do really like about this bike, yeah, it has a big fuel tank, so I've got a big mileage range on a single tank of fuel, but it's just phenomenal how good it is on fuel. I left home on Friday morning and I zeroed the onboard computer. I don't know if you can see it there, and it's saying since I left home Friday morning, I went down to Mid Wales, did a ride out with the guys there, then I rode back home, and up to this point now I've done just under 320 miles, and it's showing that I've got a range of 220 left in the tank. I just find that phenomenal, and I weren't driving it soft on Friday, and to be fair, I weren't spanking it, but I weren't riding soft either. So yeah, and at the minute she's showing a consumption since Friday of 70.6, and this morning since leaving home 70.6. Here we go, 557 towards Widnes. Go over the toll bridge because Widnes is on the north side of the river, and the ship canal. Runcorn's on the south side. Right, here we are. Just gone through, well, not through Widnes, but past Widnes, I should say. Just heading up to the toll bridge. Luckily for me, because I'm a tight bugger, it's free for bikes. Mersey Gateway, it's called Mersey Gateway Bridge. Looks like I should have done what that white van did down to the roundabout. So there's the bridge, there's the spans, supports, whatever you call them. Yeah, so this goes over the River Mersey and the Manchester Ship Canal. So we're into the 558. Yeah, this guy, he has an eBay shop. I'm not sure if he has another online shop. I'll ask him when I'm here, and I'll put a link in the description to his eBay shop. So if anybody wants anything, just give him a shout, give him a nod, drop him a line.